Alright, let's make a cat based off yourself. The fur length is going to be dependent on your hair length. So if you have long hair, you're going to have a fluffy cat. If you have medium to short hair, you're going to have a short hair cat. If you have really short hair or no hair, you're going to have a hairless cat. Now if you don't have any freckles or birthmarks, you're going to have a solid color cat. If you have freckles, add spots, and birthmarks, add stripes. Now if you can swim, you're going to have a long tail. But if you can't swim or if you have a fear of water, short tail. Now if you don't have any pets or you have pets other than dogs or cats, give your cat a collar. If you have any dogs, give them a sweater, and if you have cats, give them a hat. And lastly, your eye colors are based off your favorite fruits. Let's see that kitty.